Hey, what's going on, guys? Bringing you another video today on this beautiful pocket knife that I've been trying out. Give you a good look at this before we get into it. So, this is the Tactical GEARZ Damascus pocket knife. And this is the blue bronze. You could also get it in gold, blue, midnight, platinum. They got those colors you can check out if you're interested, but this knife caught my eye and I could not resist. When people make unique looking knives that catch your eye, sometimes you just can't resist, guys. You gotta pick it up. So let me show you what this knife comes with before we get into this real quick. This is the box which the knife was in. You got your Tactical GEARZ on it. It comes with a sheath, and you have your little belt loop. You can put it on your belt if you choose to use this sheath. Excuse me. Pretty cool though to throw that in there. Everything comes sealed in this sealed Ziploc type of thing, which is kind of cool. Never saw that before. So yeah, it's pretty much what you get. That's about what comes with the knife. So you got a Tc4 titanium style handle. The blade is Damascus steel, which is really cool. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's got those cool little etches in there, lined across the blade. You got your G10 titanium bearing, which gives it a nice smooth open. By the way, this is not a spring knife. This is just a regular flip knife, guys. But yeah, that bearing gives it a nice smooth open when you open the knife. You got your clip on there if you decide to go traditional. You don't want to use the sheath. You can clip it to your pants. So go over the specs a little more, how big the knife is, such. You got a 0.14 inch blade thickness. You have a 3.5 inch blade length. The handle length is 4.75 inches. The overall length of the whole blade is 8.25 inches. And the weight of this blade is 3.3 ounces, which is pretty light, man. It has a nice light feel, and it's by the way, razor sharp, guys. This is a razor sharp blade. You will definitely not be disappointed. Yeah, super lightweight, nice feel to it, unique. You got a nice quality Damascus steel blade, titanium handle, guys. I've been using this for a little bit, trying it out, and I have to say, guys, this is a very beautiful blade. So if you like nice knives, you're into pocket knives, I definitely recommend you check this knife out. I'll have the Amazon link in my description. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I'd appreciate it. I'll be doing more videos in the future. Thanks, guys.